how to enter safe mode on an ASUS laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your ASUS laptop in safe mode. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to put our laptop in safe mode. All we need to do is reboot the laptop while holding the shift key. And you could do this from the lock screen, but what I'm going to do is go down, select the Windows Start button, and then select the power button. And before I select restart, I'm going to hold down the shift key on my keyboard, and then I'll select restart. I'm just going to hold the shift key the entire time until the screen is blue. So I'll show you what that looks like. Just keep holding the shift key. You'll see it turn back on and it'll say, please wait. Just keep holding the shift key. And then once you see the blue screen that says choose an option, you can let go of the shift key. And all we need to do here is go down, select troubleshoot, then select advanced options. From there, select startup settings. And then as you can see in this list here, we can restart and we can enable safe mode. So I'm going to go ahead and select restart. It's going to reboot your computer one more time. And once it reboots, you'll see startup settings, and we'll have a list of different things we can do. Number 4 should be enable safe mode. Now they do have 2 other types of safe mode, but all we need to do on our keyboard is select the number next to enable safe mode. And for me, that's 4. So I'm going to select 4. It's going to reboot my computer. And this time when it reboots, it'll be in safe mode. And we can tell it's in safe mode because in the corners, it'll say safe mode. Now to get out of safe mode, all you need to do is just reboot your computer and it'll no longer be in safe mode once it starts back up. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.